In order to correlate critical to quality characteristics with inputs to the process, we will be using the cause and effect matrix. In this example, a local medical center is working to reduce patient accounts receivable that must be turned over to a collections agency. On the left side, list your critical to quality characteristics, or CTQCs. Then, assign a weighting to each of them. In this case, our medical center listed 10 CTQCs related to collecting accounts receivable in the first column. The responsible party accurate CTQC was given a high rating, while due date clear was given a low rating. Across the top, fill out the inputs or the hows. These are steps in the process or other inputs that could affect the CTQCs. In our medical center's case, the top row consists of inputs such as admissions interview procedure and patient charts readability. Finally, correlate the CTQCs and the inputs by using the matrix in the middle. Each cell has a drop-down that allows you to indicate that the chosen CTQC and input are correlated in a range from strongly correlated to weakly correlated, as indicated by the plus signs. For our medical center, the CTQC, responsible party is accurate, is highly positively correlated with the admissions interview procedure, meaning the admissions interview is very important to hitting that target for the CTQC. Once the matrix is completely filled out, look at the importance score at the bottom of the columns. This gives an estimate of the importance of each of your process inputs to the resulting outputs. In addition, we provide a ranking starting at 1 to indicate the highest score based on your calculations. From here, you can decide on projects that would affect that process input, whether it's reducing variation or eliminating waste from that step. Once you have a completed cause and effect matrix, you can start brainstorming concepts by pushing the CTQCs from this matrix into the Pew analysis. The Pew analysis will then allow you to find superior concepts for tackling those CTQCs. Click on the button in the upper right corner to push your CTQCs into the Pew analysis. Notice that your CTQCs and weightings are now listed on the left side of this matrix. This concludes our tutorial. You can check out more tutorials at www.moresteam.com/help/engineroom.